Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to close your Betterment account. Whether you're switching to a different investment platform, simplifying your finances, or just reevaluating your options, closing an account can feel daunting, but it's actually pretty simple. Betterment is a popular robo-advisor, and while it's great for automated investing, sometimes life changes, and you need to move on. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps so you can do it confidently and without any hiccups. First things first, make sure you really want to close your account. Once it's done, your investments might be sold, and you'll lose access to any ongoing services. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Betterment account. Head over to the Betterment website or app and enter your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you'll need that too, just for security. Once you're in, navigate to the Account or Settings section, usually found in the top right corner or under your profile. Step 2. Review your portfolio. Before closing, check if you have any investments, cash, or holdings. Betterment requires you to sell any investments first, so go to the Investments tab and initiate sales if needed. This might take a day or two to process, so plan accordingly. Step 3. Request account closure. Look for an option like Close Account or Account Management. Click on that, and you'll probably have to confirm your decision. Betterment might ask why you're leaving. Feel free to share feedback, as it helps them improve. Step 4. Handle your funds. Make sure to transfer any remaining balance to your linked bank account. This is crucial to avoid leaving money behind. Once everything is settled, submit the closure request and wait for confirmation via email. Finally, after closure, keep an eye on your email for any final statements or tax documents. And there you have it. That's how you close your Betterment account. If you run into any issues, Betterment's customer support is usually helpful, so don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.